Yeah, man, we gotta do some rollers. Y'all about to see the after footage. The aftermath of this gonna be crazy footage. You already know that. Got my man Caleb working. This the best DMV cameraman. Ain't nobody topping my man shit. I can say that respectfully. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, hey, worldwide boy stuff. You know what I'm saying? Hey, best cameraman in the city. Second best cameraman on this camera.
Yeah.
And we got the worst cameraman.
The worst one all the way.
He left. Damn. He left.
Look, man, we really doing it, all right? Y'all see what we got outside, man. It's just another day for real. We been doing this. We just ain't never show it. So this regular for me. It's regular. Y'all see what we, you know what I'm saying? See that Jupiter red right there. That red on red. But this life. This regular.
Nah, for real.
It's every day. It's a Tuesday. What niggas you know doing this on a Tuesday at 4:43? Nobody.
Feel like I've been saying no. Feel like I've been that wrong. Learn some lessons, shout out, I'm sorry that I did you wrong. Don't act like you ain't never met me, girl, pick up the phone. How the fuck you say you wanna be touched, now you say leave me alone. Really got me tripping, reminiscing while I'm making this song.
Another day with Worldwide. We got that shit outside. We just pulled up to the city. We got the AMG and the C63 right now. We got the GT63. Right behind us.
Truly missing, girl, I bond the strongest. Never was a broken home, now you got me feeling homeless. You got love for your girls, I got love for my homies. Oh yeah, girl, let's come together. All it takes is one good conversation, we can make it better. Don't even hit me with that busy shit, girl, you can clear your schedule. Say you wanna break.
It's Worldwide Boys. Hey, y'all know what the fuck going on. Worldwide Boys, man. It's another day. It's on a Tuesday. Casual Tuesday. We got the cars out. It's not a lot of niggas doing this shit on a regular Tuesday. Ain't no lie.
Hey, this the little bro and big bro duo, man. This the pod team. These niggas don't know, man. This the big bro, little bro duo. What you talking about? If y'all know now.
We the only ones doing it in the city. Youngest.
Only ones,
Youngest.
Bro. I'm saying, man. If you gonna do it, you gotta do it right. So you doing it right.
Alright, y'all. We back in the car. We going to Georgetown right now. We about to take some footage and pictures probably up there, do a couple reels. Be in the line right now. Traffic, we can't really do shit. Corvette in front of us, but that's about it right now. But probably about to get some rollers. We better get some shit. Two of the cameramen in the car right now. So
BPM in the cut.
BPM in the cut. No cap. We got shit cooking up. But yeah, we gonna tap back in with y'all when we touch down right there.
This like my third time I've been known to be like this. I've been out here getting money, that's why I'm staying up out of mix. Try my best to stay out of the way, a nigga like me just finna be rich. Fuck on my old friend, fuck on my old partner, I hate to reminisce. Tell them boy to keep it rap, you tell my speak put better ass. Niggas always say they gangsta,
Alright y'all, back at it, we in G-Town now, we done made it out here. We about to get a little quick tunnel running. We got the camera car, you can show them the footage right now. On a phone call right now, I got it on mute, but this is how we coordinate shoots. We got everybody on the same page. It'd be hectic, but it's what you gotta do for the quality footage that y'all wanna see. Hey, I just wanna let y'all know, any federal watching, point out the fair right quick. Show them that they not catching up with none of these cars. You can show them that joke too. They ain't catching up with none of these cars. See us, you might as well give it up. You know what I'm saying? Get the first video to say 100. I do 150 likes. We gonna have an event, public event. Say that just for the first video. This shit about to be crazy. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Y'all gonna. It's some shit you don't see on a regular Tuesday afternoon. Whoever out here, the NPCs and shit in the city, I like. I'm about to see some shit. shit's crazy.
These rap niggas ain't gon' last. These pussy ass niggas just went by the bus. Remember the time we ran so fast for 12, the nigga ran off on the plug. 14, 15, pussy ass nigga on outside, nigga, I know what it was. Nigga, I know what it was. Pussy ass nigga get hit with these slugs. I'ma see you again. Wanna see you again. Riding be by the Benz. I wanna fuck with my friend, Riding be by the Benz, yeah. Riding be by the Benz. Pull up, I'm really gon' fuck with my friend, gang. Me and Lil Nate just made me a Me and Lil Nate just made me a I don't try on any song, these pussy ass niggas tryna be like me. What? Pussy nigga got some money, ain't like you on me. Yeah. Bitch ass nigga got some money.
Alright, y'all. It's the end of the day. Back where we started earlier. We got the AMGs out. Shit, C63, Daily, and GT. We doing everything we got. Gotta grab some food and finish tonight. I'm gonna see all the footage tomorrow. And yeah, we get to have a shout tomorrow.